In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide columns in Smartsheet. If you're working in a busy project sheet and want a cleaner view that highlights just the information you need, hiding columns is a quick and effective way to do that. You won't delete anything or change your underlying data. You're simply removing a column from your current view so you can focus on what matters most. Start by opening your project sheet so you can see the grid of rows and columns. Take a moment to locate the specific column you want to hide. It helps to identify it by the column header at the top, where the column name is displayed. Move your mouse to that header area. You want to hover directly over the top of the column, not in a cell. This makes sure you're targeting the entire column rather than just a single field. Now, right-click on the column header. A small menu will appear right where you clicked. In that menu, look for the option labeled Hide Column. Go ahead and select it. As soon as you do, the column disappears from your current view, and the remaining columns shift over to fill the space. That's all there is to it. A few useful notes as you work. Hiding a column doesn't remove or erase the data in any way. Everything in that column stays intact behind the scenes, which means formulas, links, and dependencies that reference it will continue to function. You can always bring the column back later without losing anything. If you're collaborating with others, remember that you're adjusting how you see the sheet in your session. It's a good habit to communicate your preferred view to teammates so everyone understands which fields you're focusing on during a review or meeting. If you find the hide column option isn't showing, double-check that you right-click directly on the column header text or the header area. Right-clicking inside a cell brings up a different menu and won't give you the column option you need. Also, if you need to streamline your sheet further, you can repeat the same action on any additional columns you want to hide. Hover over the header, right-click, and choose Hide Column again. That's the complete process. By keeping only the most relevant columns visible, you'll reduce horizontal scrolling, make updates faster, and keep your attention on the critical fields for your project. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the cleaner, more focused Smartsheet view.